Okay, I'm here with Gene, Carlo, the owner of Boston Quality Cleaning Service here in the greater Boston area. We're here at the Church of St. Paul in Brookline, correct, Mr. Walter?
That's absolutely correct.
Okay, and Mr. Walter loved the work that Gene, the owner of Boston Quality Cleaning Service, completed here at the church, and he would like to mention what happened and if he liked it. Feel free to.
All right, here on very short notice, on an emergency basis, if you're going to have an emergency floor basis, we called Boston Quality Cleaners, and they responded promptly and efficiently and took a situation that was mired in wax and took floors that needed some refurbishing quickly. It did a wonderful job, competent job, cheerfully done with amazing attention to detail, and I could not recommend this company more highly than I do. They're a wonderful outfit. Would recommend them to anybody that needs quality work. The name is well chosen because there's a lot of quality at Boston Quality.
Wow, thanks so much. Thank you.
Boston Quality Cleaning Services has provided Modernista exceptional service for over 2 years. All of our expectations are always met. Our workspace is very old with all hardwood floors and many white walls, and we occupy 3 floors, which covers a large space, 22,400 square feet. This is no small feat, but Boston Quality Cleaning Services has managed the job with ease and professionalism. They're friendly, easy to work with, discreet, trustworthy. They have honest suggestions, are always efficient, timely, accommodating, and extremely flexible so as to meet our needs. I would recommend them to any company that requires personalized and friendly service. Sincerely, Lisa Mullaney, Office Manager, Modernista.